Plastic Model Builders, hello, I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. This here is the Tamiya 1/48 scale F-14D Tomcat, made in 2018. We are going to do a box break on this, a box unboxing. We're going to show you what is inside of this wonderful kit. First off, you see the box art there. You got a blue kind of paint scheme going on. Some stuff right there. Box art. Another version of the aircraft, more of the box art from that angle right there. So we're going to open this up. Going to show you what exactly is inside. Starting off, we'll also give you details. We got one bag right here. It's got your armament, clear plastic parts right here. As I said, this is a 2018 kit. So a lot of your gates, those are where you cut the parts off from the sprue, are in locations that do not affect the build of the aircraft. You might have to sand them off a little bit to get a good fit. But aside from that, by the way, upper body, the top and the rear part, I should say front and rear part. Got this bag right here. Everything's molded in like a light gray kind of color. You probably will have to paint this kit unless you don't feel like painting it. Tail stabilizers, drop tanks and wheels right there. Lower body fuselage followed by the cockpit, which is right here. We're going to show you more of the depth of this kit in just a moment. We got some bags of armament right there and landing gear doors. Got these right here, a bag of screws with some plastic caps in there, some washers. Those are going to be for the sweep wings because they move back and forth. Here are your decals right here, as well as armament decals. A lot of those, as you can see, some things right here are also for the cockpit. Also got painting masks for the canopies, the clear parts. You're going to have to cut these out yourself. They are not pre-cut for you. Not a big deal, just take your time and go slow. Got a full instruction booklet right here. 24 pages of this. So lots of painting parts. As always, you know, they kind of sometimes will tell you a little bit about the plane. This particular manual does not, but like everything, this one starts out with the cockpit because you got to kind of start that first. Doesn't have you putting in the pilot till later though. Wonderful pages. You can see a little bit of detail right here when it comes to putting on the wings and things like that. How they go, how they sweep back. Certainly makes it easy on this aircraft, and especially painting, so you can move those in and out without having to damage your wings. Good engineering, I believe, by Tamiya. Better engineering. And you can do various versions of this aircraft. They are not featured right here in this booklet, but you can do them with the details, which is right here for painting. You have an A version, which is right here, and B version on the back side, a C and a D version. Keep in mind some of the paint looks a little darker on some of these. Depending on which aircraft you're doing, it is color coded for you. Also got this little bit which tells you about the aircraft. Tamiya likes to give you a nice little brochure. I hear many people say Tamiya. I say Tamiya because I believe that's actually how it is pronounced. And you have one correction right here, so don't forget about that. This plane is designed, like most of them, to have their landing gear in the down position, as most aircrafts. If you want to do some modeling, you will have to fabricate those so that the gear are up. This is the box opening of the Tamiya 1/48 scale F-14D Tomcat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And as always, until next time, see ya!